Welcome back to another Plein Air adventure. The plan was to head down to Bundeena Beach, but nature had other plans, as you will see. Welcome to the channel. I'm here with all my friends. I've got a friend up there who's screaming at me for the past 5 minutes. We're here at the Royal National Park. We're on the way to Bundeena, which is further down south, and we're going to do a bit of plein air painting on the beach. We'll find a good scenery over there. And we've all packed up. I've got my paints, all the essentials. I'll pack light. We've just left the Royal National Park. We're on the way to Bundeena. It's probably about 10 k's or so. But we've had a bushfire through here a couple of years ago. It was roaring through here. A lot of things were charred and black, but now it's just recovered. It's just amazing how well it has recovered. We've got flowers, the shrubs have gone nice and green, and a lot of the wildlife has returned as well. So we're heading down to Bundeena. And there's a ferry wharf there as well, which bridges the south to the north side. We're going to head down to the beach and we'll have a look around to see what sort of things we can find and what may be interesting to capture. So join us, stay tuned, and if you like, give us a thumbs up. Pies, we don't normally have pies, and we got a potatoes there, and we have a coffee shop and a pizza supply. It's all here. As you can see, we've got a bit of rain. Yeah, the rain's eased up a little bit. I think I may head down towards here and try to capture some of the cliff edges, some nice natural colours there. Survey the area, and I think this is what I'll try to capture here, even though it's raining. We don't have to chase the shadows today. No big cast shadows at all, so let's carry on. And it's lucky got oil paints too. We got a bit of rain. Can't say I didn't try. Maybe better luck next time. That's what happens when you go out in the nature. Sometimes you win, sometimes it gets better.